The popular belief, more tech, more engagement.
Many people assume that increasing technology in classrooms automatically leads to higher student engagement. Laptops, tablets, and educational apps are seen as instant solutions to capturing students' attention. But is this belief really supported by evidence? Or is it just a popular misconception?
What research actually shows.
Studies reveal a more complex relationship between technology and engagement. While some tech tools can enhance learning, simply adding more devices doesn't guarantee students will be more involved or interested. True engagement relies on how technology is used, not just its presence in the classroom.
Potential downsides of excessive tech.
Too much technology can sometimes hinder, not help, engagement. Distractions from games, social media, or multitasking are common. Students may become passive participants if digital tools replace meaningful discussion, hands-on activities, or teacher interaction.
What actually drives engagement?
Active teaching methods matter most. Approaches like group work, critical thinking tasks, and real-world problem-solving often lead to higher engagement. Educational technology supports these methods best when thoughtfully integrated, not when simply added for its own sake.
Effective tech use, quality over quantity.
The key is purposeful use, not just more devices. When teachers align technology with learning goals, offer interactive experiences, and encourage collaboration, tech can boost engagement. But blindly increasing screen time rarely delivers the desired results.